Alright guys, what's up? So just quick announcement, wanted to tell you guys I might be doing a Doctor Who animation here coming up. I also may be doing an animation with a fellow computer person. So there's that, but with the Doctor Who animation, tell me your favorite Doctor below, and that'll help me decide what Doctor I do the animation on. So anyways, and then I also just wanted to show you guys real quick what happens when you put a Rubik's Cube and Play-Doh together in an animation. So here you are. Alright, so Plato, in this scene you are Plato, the Roman philosopher.
Lights, camera,
Action.
I'm Plato, the great Roman philosopher. Oh my gosh, it's Plato! Oh. Yummy!
Yeah, that was supposed to be an hour long, until, good old Rubik came on screen. And, so we had to do some recasting, and this is actually kind of a scam, but, technically a lot of the advertisements I put out there for movies are. So, but yeah, the Doctor Who thing, that might be serious if you all tell me your favorite Doctor. Yeah, so right down in the comments your favorite Doctor, and from there I'll be able to create the animation. So, yeah, wish me good luck.